Bye to y'all. Hey everybody, so now I'm here at the school getting ready to start my teaching day. For those of you who do not know, I have a lot of new subscribers, and for all of you new subscribers, let me go ahead and take this time out to say welcome. Thank you guys so much for becoming a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. I am so happy to have you guys. Stick around, look around my channel. I have so many videos. Found out yesterday I have a total of 400 uploads, so I'm sure of those 400 you are sure to find some that you enjoy. So thank you so much and welcome. But guys, yeah, I'm sitting here in the parking lot getting ready to go in. Again, for those of you who do not know, I teach theater arts for middle schoolers, and it's through my nonprofit organization. I have a theater company in downtown in the city that I live in here. We've been closed for COVID, but we are assisting a brand new school. It's brand new this year. We're assisting them with their theater program. We're helping them to get their theater program up and started. So it's a great way for us to have revenue coming in since we don't have our programming due to COVID. But we're glad to be here and to be able to share our love for the arts with the children in our areas. So it's right up our alley. It's what our mission is all about. But anyway, I am here right now, guys, and I am getting ready at this time to go into the school. I'm having a meeting with my drama club students. We're getting ready for our spring show, which is going to be a comedy variety show, and we are really excited about it. So I'm gonna go meet with those students, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So come along with me. I'll try to make sure I get some footage of the students and I today.
Man and wife.
Fantastic. I can't wait to tell my mates.
Not so fast, Montague.
No thanks to all.
Huh, as I thought. Cowards, the lot of you.
Then come on!
Mercutio, if you insist.
Oh, he's dead.
So,
Oh no, Julia's cousin. I killed him. What now?
Banishment to Montague.
Farewell, Verona. Farewell, Juliet. Love, farewell.
Okay, everybody, so here is my dinner. I mean, I have got a loaded salad. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since the smoothie bowl that I had this morning. I've got a bit of a headache, actually. So this is a fully loaded salad with ranch dressing. I have buttered lettuce, a mix of buttered lettuce and romaine lettuce, some cucumber, some tomato. I used the roasted chicken that I had made yesterday. I got that, shredded it up and put it in there, some of the chicken breast. I have some of the bacon that I pre-made earlier for the week. I have some sharp cheddar cheese, some crispy onions, and a couple of pepperoncini peppers. You all, this is going to be dinner. It is so big and so filling. Yeah, this is going to be dinner, and I'm going to be done eating for the day. So I'll check back with you guys a little bit later. All right, guys, I've just finished my workout. Didn't get it quite as much in as I wanted. But I got on the treadmill a little bit later than usual, so I just wanted to make sure I at least got 30 minutes in. So I got in 37 minutes and 27 seconds, which I'm happy about. So that's 7 minutes and 27 seconds more than what I expected. And so I can certainly feel my stamina coming back. I can feel my stamina coming back and my strength and my energy throughout the day. Waking up in the morning, exercising is definitely improving my days. So, all right, now I'm gonna go upstairs and get this day started. All right, you guys, I know I've shared this with you all before. Every morning I always take my sea moss, and so that's what I'm about to take right now. And I usually do a little more than a tablespoon of it. Let me end my workout. I'm gonna watch. Yeah. I take a little bit more than a tablespoon of the sea moss. It gives me so much energy throughout the day. I think I mentioned it's an appetite suppressant, and it has so many other wonderful health benefits. So if you're not taking any form of sea moss, this is just the form that I take it in. You can take it in pills. I think they have like a powder that you can mix with. They have so many different forms of the sea moss that you can take. So just give it a try and see how you like it. I can guarantee it will change your life, okay? It is so good on your immune system. It just helps me to, it helps my functionality throughout the rest of the day. So this coupled with my exercise and then eating right, those are winning combinations. I am feeling so much better, and I'm happy to report that I am down 4 whole pounds since I started. And so I want to share with you all my starting weight and what my weight is now, but it's just so horribly embarrassing. Just to be completely honest, it is embarrassing because I just gained weight, just really not caring. Caring, but just not having the willpower. Just not having the willpower to do what I need to do and eat the way I know that I should be eating. Because I really feel like I should get to a point in life where this is no longer a struggle, where I just conquer this thing. And so through prayer and my relationship with God, I know that I can do it because I've done it so many times in times past. I just keep allowing stress and work and starting new businesses and that sort of thing. I keep allowing those things to get in the way, but I'm feeling really good right now. So I ask you, my friends and followers, to pray with me, pray for me. I believe in the power of prayer. So just pray for my continued success. I want to be an example for all of you that I keep putting myself and my life out in front of. I want to be a good example. So through prayer and the constant encouragement that I receive from you all, it is just amazing. So I appreciate you guys so much. And thank you for continuing to follow, for continuing to watch. I appreciate all of you so much. To my longtime followers, you guys know who you are. Sam, Ann, Lydia. There's so many of you. I can't even name all of you. Christina. Guys, thank you all so very much. I appreciate you. I'm going to try to actually put your names somewhere in this video. I appreciate you guys. But all right, I'm not going to be all sobby, but I'm going to go ahead and get started with this day. I got to go upstairs and get out of these wet clothes. But guys, I'm feeling really great. Okay, everybody. So I am going to, I know this looks a mess, okay? So I'm sorry. It's probably a bit overwhelming, but I'm getting ready to make me a salad, a bacon cheeseburger salad before I have to be at work. The time is, it's 10:37, and I still have a good minute before I need to be at work. I'm going to the library to pick up a few things before I have to be at the school. I may go to the library. I'm not sure yet. So anyway, to the burgers, I'm adding, of course, Sincerely Legenia all-purpose seasoning, and I'm adding some Worcestershire sauce. I love this combination. It seasons these burger patties so well, but I'm making myself a double bacon cheeseburger salad, and this is going to be my breakfast lunch for the day, and I'm sure I won't eat again until dinner time, but I am going to take something with me to munch on just in case I get hungry throughout the day today. So let this finish cooking in the air fryer. Let's see. Okay, I got about 7 minutes left, and we'll come back to check on it. Okay, everyone, I'm running late, but I did want to show you my salad really quickly. So I've got my bacon in there, of course, lettuce, tomato. I've got cheddar cheese, ranch dressing, my Wingstop ranch dressing, pickles, and I'm going to sprinkle a few of those crispy onions on there. And I think that's everything. But anyway, this is my first meal of the day, and I'm getting ready to dig in. I'll check back with you.